By using apps inside of Canva, you can also create AI-generated images. So to do that, you need to go around onto the app section, and over here on the top, you can see text to image is an option. If you were to scroll down on the create something new section, you can see the text to image right here as well. But if I were to go around onto the search camera apps and then type in text right here and search it, you can see text to image pops up from over here as well. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that the app is opened up. And now you can see that there's different styles of image generation that you can choose from, as you can see. Like you can generate a photo, or you can go around and select neon and so forth. I'm going to keep the style as it is right here, and you can see that there's also different styles right here on the bottom right here. But I'm just going to go around and select out square aspect ratio, as you can see right here, and type in something that I want to generate. For example, I'm just going to go around and say a dog riding a bicycle right here. So let me just go around and say a dog riding a bicycle right here. And then I'm going to go around and click enter right here. And what happens is that it'll generate out image based on what I typed out. So it does take a bit of time, but you can see that there's a dog riding the bicycle, and this is an image generated by AI. And if you want to use this, you can simply click around over here, just like this, and there you go. There's the dog riding the bicycle, and the image is generated, and you can just utilize this as a regular image right here. If you want to go ahead and change around the style, let's say for example, I want the style to be 3D, then I can simply click right here, and then I'm going to click on create again. Then what happens is that it'll use the text that I typed in, and then it'll generate out a 3D version of it. So you can see that the AI is generating out an image, and now you can see that you got the 3D style of bicycle. Now, just like this. Then if I want to go around and change this out to, let's say for example, retro anime right here, and click on create again, and then it'll again transform that out into that particular style, and then we'll generate out whatever I typed, just like this, as you can see, as a retro anime style right here. So you can go around and bring in this one, as you can see, and utilize this for your design. And you can see that this is a very powerful tool, and you can just go around, generate out the image that you want by using AI, by using the text to image app inside of Canva. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.